But he will sting you with that mouth. Look at this thing. What the hell? Whoa. That's insane. Look at that thing. Check this guy out. I don't know why, but I noticed him today when I came out to check on my bell pepper. Look at him. He's freaking crazy looking. He's got this like spine on his back. If I can get up closer. I don't want to get too close because I don't want to get bit by him. I can't. I'll have to see if I can come over this side. He has a beak on him. I don't think we can see it right now. But if he bites you, it's supposedly worse than a bee sting. Look how pretty he is. He's called the assassin bug. Pretty fucking cool.